I put my gun in the bed. You said you were supposed to get that.
Hi guys! Hello po! Waiting ako kay Cheyenne kasi pupunta ako sa school. May meeting po. Parents meeting. So ako lang yung pupunta. Wala ang asawa ko. And yun, tawag ito, i-date ko sila after ng meeting or before meeting kasi yung meeting is 3 o'clock to 5. Imimit ko yung mga teachers ni Kian. And tawag ito, every year yan na nangyayari. So, dahil walang asawa ko, ako yung pupunta sa school nila. So, waiting ako kay Cheyenne. Si Kian, ang usapan namin, may iwan siya doon. Kasi marami namang bata ang may iwan doon. May guard naman. Sabi ko, wag siyang lalabas sa school. So, si Cheyenne, kukunin niya lang yung bag niya kasi nga maglalakad lang kami. 10 minutes away from here to school. So, malapit lang kasi may mga shortcut. Minsan kapag may meeting ang mga bata, naglalakad ako na pumunta. And not only me ang naglalakad. Meron din yung isa kong kaibigan na naglalakad pupunta sa school. So, ngayon, waiting ako sa kanya kasi kukunin niya yung boat para pag uwi namin wala kaming bibit-bitin kasi maglalakad kami pa uwi ng mga bata. So sa mga nagtatanong pala kung merong transpo dito, yung mga public transpo, meron po, kaso sa kapag ganitong distance, no need na po kasi para sa akin mas gusto ko talaga yung maglakad and mas healthy sa mga bata and sa akin. At hindi naman masama maglakad guys. Meron namang taxi kaso ang lapit-lapit talaga. So, and yung distance talaga dito from here sa school is malapit lang. Kumbaga, alam nyo kung walang taglamig, walang winter, pwedeng lakarin ang mga bata. Kaso, syempre, yung mga bag nila, kailangan nila ng sasakyan. Kailangan nilang sumakay kasi yung mga books, ganyan. Mabigat sa kanila. So anyway, nag-update ang asawa ko. Sabi niya nakabenta na daw siya ng 13 pieces. So yung binigay kong piece ngayon is nasa 32 pieces. So sabi niya na medyo nakakalahati na daw siya. Waiting ako sa mga bata guys. Waiting ako kay Cheyenne pala. Si Cheyenne lang palang uuwi. So mamaya kita-kits po. I-treat natin ang mga bata. Okay, and itignan natin kung ano ang comment ng teacher ni Kian. Wala naman problema sa bata, alam ko. So, ayan, kita-kits guys! Nandito na si Cheyenne. Wait! Nakalakala.
Wait a second.
Yan, where is Cheyenne? Yan, lala. Kian is waiting. Ayan, dito na si
Mommy,
Cheyenne.
I don't want to eat. I'm not hungry.
Okay.
Can I stay at school?
Sure?
I won't eat with you. هيدا منقوش شو اسمه.
Okay.
بس ندخل الحمام وغير.
Yala. Hello. Nandito na po kami ni Cheyenne. Naglalakad po kami.
Why are we walking?
Yes, I love to walk.
We will go back
Pupunta na
walking
po kami
kami, no?
sa school.
We will go back walking.
Yes, ito po yung
You know?
shortcut.
You know?
Yes.
I showed the teacher. I was talking with Mary. I told him Mary go the other way. He said I wanted to avoid contact. I don't want him to say that. And he was like, hey, this is the teacher, okay? And he was like, تعال. I was like, why? And he's like, ما شفتك. I didn't see you on Thursday. I was like, I had to اخذه من الكنيسة. He's like, I've been waiting in front of the door the whole time. I was deciding whether I should start the class or not. I was like, sorry. ماشي, I see his eyes. He was, no, مش crying. He was bleeding.
Why then if you don't
And
want
then he was
yan,
like, خلاص, I will wait for you again on Tuesday. I was like, eh, okay. and then I was like, yeah, but Tuesday and Jad Daddy is not at home.
No, tell the truth, Mama.
And she was waiting for me, Kanena.
No, why you
Yeah.
if you don't want yan, he force you yan eh.
No, because she's like, I'm waiting for you.
Baby chicken. Kakaiba. Why Mafi hair? Haram. Mimi boys in the garden. I forgot to put it
Are you
down.
okay? Lick.
Mapalidpidan ka ni. Ganyan si Mibu. Mag-start ay mag-cause ng ng traffic. Let's go. Maglakpat siya tayo. Relax. Mamayang gabi mag-bake ako. Ito yung halaman. Pagbentahan ng halaman ito. Yan yung doon, yung sa highway. Dito mo makikita lahat ng halaman. Bulak lang. Ube, madam!
Women, when they drive on jet, they're so crazy.
Okay.
It's very rare to see my mother so sexy. What? So live. And it's very rare to see me ugly. This is very rare to see mommy dressing up. That's something you would see only once in 2 months. Oh, once a year, ما بتعرفوا. Eh, in front of the parents, you have to look good. So, look.
Why?
Did you see if there was any rip? Where are you going home? We're not going to Faddual. Are you hungry? You want to buy something for some food? Come. Come. You're going down to the autostrad.
We hope
No, you immediately reach Zakka. But after Zakka. Come on. We're going. Ya Allah. Someone should edit her. Those baddie edits on TikTok. They're like, oh.
Show the road.
Okay, if you in the road, then you are the main. Okay.
Ya Allah, vlog, sabi ko.
Y'all, it's 3:11.
Mag-start ang meeting 3 to 5. Dito na po kami sa bungad ng highway. Nag-ikot-ikot kami kasi
If Kian is hungry, I buy him small croissants from the Kian.
wala, no. We'll go. Wala, I will eat somewhere.
The after.
Yes. Look guys, oh. Ayan yung mga bulaklak na naglabasan na. Bulaklak ito ng peach. Ganda. Bonjour, hello. Ayan, oh.
We are late.
No.
When I was in the house, you're like, why was mommy so excited?
I'm not
You see the
excited.
disappointed.
Hi, Nico. Ito ang school ng mga bata. Imit natin si Kian.
You're asking me?
Ito ang school ng mga bata.
No.
Tignan natin si Kian kung nasaan siya.
Wait, to see if my friend is here. I don't know where is she. If I don't want to be alone,
Where is Kian?
Whoever said he was going to be here.
The parents are here. Kian is here. Ayan, dito ang fall in lane. Dito kami magpipila at kausapin namin isa-isa ang teacher. Ito. Grade 4, Miss Vanessa. Science.
Like 1 hour.
Dito na po kami.
Hello, what time is
Check
it?
natin
What
kung-
time is it?
I think 3:30.
I waited 1 hour and a half. Waited 1 hour and a half.
It's okay. Ngayon kami dito sa Arabic teacher. Yay! Mamaya ako mag-update.
Math and English, they say I'm good as well.
Yeah.
I did good in Arabic. I did good in Arabic. I just need to watch Arab movies, read Arabic stories, and anything that is talking about Arabic.
Nakakatuwa ang mga comment ng mga teachers ni Kian. Sobra. Ito, andito na kami sa French. Tapos, meron pa sa baba. I'm proud po. Nakaka-proud si Kian. May mag-update tayo. Ito ang school nila. Ayan. Finish? Yan, tapos na kami. Where's Cheyenne now?
She said she needed
Ah,
one
it's
more.
there, yeah. I want to.
She said she needed one.
Ayan, tapos na po kami. Tara, kain po tayo. Tapos na po kami and I'm very proud of Kian. Lahat po ng teacher, sabi ng Sai ay English teacher. First, mag-start tayo sa English teacher. Sabi niya,
No, we
no
first,
need to come, madam.
Mommy, we first started with the science geographia.
But then the English.
And then we did the math,
Mm.
English, Arabic, and then
Yeah.
French. They said I'm approved. Positive.
Can
Mahek.
feel very good, mommy. I'm proud of you, Habibi.
Where's
Yes.
tawu? Tawu.
Malak
tawu honey.
Malak tawuhon.
You will eat malak tawu.
Yes. You want tawu? Okay.
I
yan, iti-
want the tawu
Huh?
sandwich.
Plato, may sandwich?
No. I want the tawu sandwich.
Sandwich pala. We'll see. Yala, let's go. I-treat natin ang mga bata. Okay. Yun. Happy ako kasi lahat puro positive. Sabi ng isang teacher,
Everything
yung
positive.
English, sabi niya,
Everything.
no need to come, madam.
Everything positive.
Yeah, thank God. Bravo, mommy. I'm proud of you. Sabi ng isang teacher yung English, sabi niya, lahat daw ng teacher, kapag nag-uusap daw sila, pinag-uusapan si Kian. And isa daw siya sa pinaka magaling. Hindi ko ito sinasabi dahil anak ko siya, pero yun po yung comment ng teachers. I'm happy. Tapos ang dami nagtatanong kung anong lahi ko. Sabi ko, Pilipino. Wow. Hindi daw kasi mukhang Pilipina si Kian. Kasi yung mga ibang teachers niya ngayon ko lang na-meet. Ay, nako. Thank God. Wala si Cheyenne. Siguro next week. Hindi pinagsabay. Tignan natin next week. Ayan. I-treat natin ang mga bata.
Hey, judo.
Yala. Ayan. Tara, mag-lunch po tayo.
There.
Oh.
I'm actually getting hungry. Getting hungry na ba?
Gutom na sila. Ayan, dito po kami naglalakad. Punta po kami dyan, Tawok. Malaktaw daw ang gustong kainin ni Kian. Ansiyan. I-treat natin sila kasi very good sila sa school. Sila lang po yung,
One of my friends here.
alam nyo, yung mga comment ng teacher, mga teachers, nakakatuwa. Kaya deserve nila mag-treat. I-treat natin sila. Very good, Kian. I'm proud of you, mommy. Proud of you, kids.
I have to keep doing it. I have to keep it like this.
Yes. Dito po kami sa Juni. Ito yung Juni Souk. Dito mo makikita yung parang Quiapo ba? Mga ganyan, mga tinda sa daan. Diyan po tayo, diyan po tayo,
What I had before.
Malaktawo. We will sit outside or inside?
Inside.
Okay.
Outside it's crowded.
Okay, outside لكن.
Okay.
Okay.
أنا inside عن جد عجب كثير وإنه ما أدري إيش اللي خاطر. Okay fine.
Okay.
Fine outside.
I check Play Store. Look at the end. They are leaving. Yala, let's go. But we order first. Tapos na po kami mag-order. Waiting po kami sa order namin. You want something to drink?
I have my bottle is empty. My bottle is empty. Eh?
Where is your bottle?
It's
Wala,
empty.
if I die, you can order mo.
Hadi. Hey, mommy, can I hold you? Is it catching the slow motion of it? Where's that? Eh?
Ate's waiting the order. Inside. Dito po kami sa Malactao. I-take natin ang dalawa. Dessert. Dito yun ang ma-treat. I'm proud of you, my love ko. Continue being like this, eh?
Is there a second meeting?
No, every year also, Maui.
Every year, February 28th, Fridays. Because I don't feel like going to the meeting, guys. I don't feel like going to the meeting, mommy. I don't feel like going to the meeting.
Na finish. Next year again.
No, the meeting,
Meeting in the-
Eh,
I don't know, it's up to you.
can I not today? I'm tired.
It's
I
up
want
to
to
you.
play.
We'll see.
I'm gonna check what else.
Hi! Ayan na po. Ay, malaki palang sandwich nila, mama. It's big.
Let us eat.
Where is the recipe? They not give? Yan, kain na po tayo. It's big. Kain po tayo, sandwich.
خبز
لا أنا ما بتعمل.
شوكي معكم
Merci. Oh wow. How it feels like to be the boss. I feel like daddy. You want? Hey, the salad. You want? Oh, you have.
Go ahead, mama. Ito yung sa bag chicken siya. Is mamang ko you're hungry?
Yeah, mommy.
No, don't pick mama in the table. It's not
No, they wiped it. Put it here. They wiped it.
Even mama. Put it in the tray. Don't put in the table.
This is nice. I think it's better than McDonald's.
Next time, we will come and eat here. I will treat you again.
Hassan, Dad, you want to be here? Oh.
You want food? Ito na yun?
It's good to have it today.
Wala picture.
Good job.
Tama, I have it.
Careful because it might spill. Okay naman.
Which one is one?
But it will be nice when you're back.
Okay, wala ba daw?
Hello, what time is it? Oh, 5:19. And then in like 20 minutes, it's gonna finish the meeting.
Hello there, thumbnail.
Are you the mother you were talking to? Is Ukrainian, yeah?
Mother of Yorgo.
We used
His family is Kalin. Ah, is in your class? Ito yung loob niya, guys. May pickles, may salad na, cabbage, and then yung potato, and then yung chicken, and yan yung secret ingredients niya, yung tinatawag nilang garlic sauce. Yan. Ito rin, ganito rin yung nilagay. Pero kasi yan, platter siya. Sa amin yan, sandwich.
Actually, I'm really tired. I want to. When you leave, you feel the bored because you're not waiting and you're not talking to somebody. That's how bored now means.
Hi guys! Tapos na po kami. Naitreat na po ang bata, mga bata. Okay, pauwi na po. Busog po kami, thank God. Yan na po yung lunch namin and dinner. Okay. 5 minutes, nasa bahay na po kami. Pero mag-pass-by muna kami sa market kasi bibili po ako ng gamit ko para sa pag-bake. Ayan. Let's go!
Na! Whew! Whew!
We are about to arrive sa bahay. Nagpahinga kasi kami. Stop. Nag-stop kami. Pumasok kami sa mga market. Sa mga supermarket. Nagtingin-tingin lang ba? Okay guys. Thank you sa pagsama niyo sa amin ngayong araw. As usual, bake ulit ako mamaya. Okay, kit-kits.